sad news to report now. They've removed all of the track from the old abandoned Bay Coast Railroad all the way down the island. All gone. And where all the passenger cars used to be, there's just this old boxcar. And I'm right in the middle of the right-of-way, which once, I believe there was 3 or 4 tracks here. And all gone now. All gone. Still got the old Bay Coast boxcar here. I mean, they didn't leave anything. This is all going to be rails to trails. Might be an old caboose way down there. I'll have to go check it out, but the last time I was here, there was at least 3 or 4 old Pullman cars on the tracks, a tank car, now it's all gone. All gone. Brake wheel off on, full release, non-spin. This is owned by the restaurant, Cape Charles Brewing Company, but is there anything good in there I can see in there? No. Some wood. Old Bay Coast Railroad. It's the only piece of track left. Sad. Oh, let's keep going. There's nothing left of the rail yard. All the tracks have been pulled. Everything's gone. The car here, though. I think I've seen this car before. Take a look. Bay Coast Railroad. No trespassing, no dumping, and no hunting. All gone now. All gone. This was some kind of passenger car. For any of you that know, Town Mountain. Nothing left. old lonely car. I'm sure this is all on borrowed time too. I was just here a year ago and there was all kinds of cars and all the track was left, and now it's all gone.